Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video I'll be showing you a cucumber juice which can also be used to detox. So first we'll get our blender and go in with our sliced cucumber like I am doing here. I think I had like 1.5 tuber of cucumber, so I sliced it so that it's going to be easy for the blender to blend it. Yeah, so you would also need to get a cup of water. I think the water I added in this video was quite a lot, but I used a cup of water in this, depending on how you want it though. I used a cup of water, then I went ahead to blend it to be really smooth as the blender can make it. Yeah, so it was that smooth, like very smooth. So I went ahead to blend it a whole lot. Yeah, so yeah, I was done blending, so I went ahead to get my sieve to help sieve out the cucumber juice. Yeah, so it wasn't coming out, so I had to use a spoon to help with all of that. Obviously this blender didn't do a good job because I still had a lot of what's it called, particles. And if you also like, you can take the juice like that without sieving it, which is going to look like a smoothie. Yeah, instead of making it pure juice, you can just leave it in form of a smoothie. But I think I prefer to take it as a juice because I wanted to use it to detox. Yeah, so because it's going to be for detox, I added lemon and I didn't add sugar. Yeah, some or any sweetener. But if it's going to be a juice, you should add a sweetener to it to give it a better taste. Yeah, but because I was using it as a detox drink, I didn't bother to add any sweetener. I only added lemon, which you'll be seeing later on in this video. And Nigerians, this lemon did not have juice. I did a lot of job to bring out these things I did. Like the lemon was so dry and I couldn't go out to get another one because I had started this video. So I had to juice it out in any way I could so that I could at least get something for the juice. Yeah, so this is me trying to press out the juice in it so that at least I can get a lot of lemon. And right here my juice is ready to be taken, my detox drink, because I'm using it for a detox drink like I said. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.